Hi friends, today I'll teach you how to give better look to pivot table in short time. This data I have, when I make a pivot table report, normally it comes in compact format. Suppose I make a pivot table now this way. So I just drag department on row and suppose as salary in values area, I make one more level, region comes in row suppose. So I get a pivot table report this way. Further, I can format it by going to designs, but our format is not that much presentable. So what I recommend, just make it tabular one. So when you make pivot table, every time you go to design tab and say report layout, and then you make it tabular. Other way to make this by default, you can go to file tab. Inside file tab, you have options. Inside options, we have data, and data we have edit default layout. And there we have here by default format report layout. We can make a tabular form. When you say OK, so now OK. In future now, whenever you make pivot table in this computer, by default it will come to compact, tabular format, not compact one. So this is how to change the default setting of pivot table. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.